How to add someone in Google Chat. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to add someone to your Google Chat. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just create a new chat right there. And then let's just create a space. There you go. And then after that, I'll just name the space name, invite someone space. I'll just name it as that, but you can name it anything you like. You can also add emojis over here if you want to for your space. So yes, for example, just use this emoji. And after that, I'll just create the space. And there you go. We now have our space. So to add someone in here, what you want to do is to just simply click on add members. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So to add someone in this space, what you want to do is to just simply type in their email or their name or group. So yeah, so for example, I'll just use my other email right there. I'll just click on this, click on add, and then after that, my account has now been added. So there you go. I have 2 members right now in my current space, and there you go. So we can now start chatting in here, like hello, there you go. Then when I open up my other account, as you can see that I can also see the chat right there. I can reply with hi, and then there you go. So yeah, there you go. You can reply to their messages. How are you doing? And there you go. So yeah, so feel free to chat the person that you added in your space. And after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add someone in Google Chat. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.